This is the vintage model company Sopwith Triplane. It's an 18-inch model constructed in the traditional method of stick and tissue. It uses modern technology such as laser cutting, which means that you can get all of your parts ready cut. You just pop them out, you sort of cut the little tabs, you pop them out, glue them together in the structure and build this aeroplane. It's really easy compared with how it used to be. Yeah, we're really excited to bring you this one. It's quite a new one. And here's some more information about it. The Sopwith Triplane, as the name might suggest, has a few more wings than most aircraft. However, thanks to those laser cutters, you can get these wings assembled in no time whatsoever, and you'll see a lot of progress without too much hassle and too much hard work. As with quite a few of our magnificent flying machine models, we've kept this colour scheme nice and simple so that you can customise it to your own style. We've seen a lot of great colour schemes coming up on the Facebook group and on social media, so make sure to send us your pictures of your triplane when you've built it. We're going to have some flight videos of this aircraft and a few others in our collections, so make sure to keep an eye out for those in the near future on this YouTube channel. When you get your box, you're going to find a load of parts in it, and I thought I'd show you what's inside. So let's check out what you get in the box when you're going to receive it in the post. So each one of our kits of this range come in this cardboard box, and you can just remove the sleeve, open it up, and find your plan and instruction booklet. And the instruction booklet contains each of the steps that you'll need to follow to build the model. We will have extra instructional videos on this YouTube channel in the future, but yeah, this is the specific instructions for this model. Inside the hardware bag of bits and bobs, you'll find some wood glue. We thought it was a good idea to include wood glue in the model kit so that anyone can build it without having to go and buy something else. In this particular bag, you'll also find lots of pieces to detail your model and make your wheels go round, and of course make your propeller go round with the elastic motor. To go along with the propeller, you've got a pre-bent motor shaft to make it easy for you to install that motor and make your plane go up in the air. In the biodegradable plastic bag, you get 4 sheets of balsa wood in various thicknesses to create your airframe, which is assembled quite like the real thing actually. It's how people used to build aircraft, with wood, so you can really make a very authentic model of the Sopwith Triplane. Once you've built your kit, make sure to share it with us on the Facebook group for the Vintage Model Company. Also follow us on Instagram, we post there pretty much every day. You can get some inspiration from there as well, along with announcements for future products. We've got loads of exciting things on the horizon, including RC aeroplanes. Subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on any of that as well. You'll get build videos, flight videos, and all sorts of things. So yeah, check it out. Press that button down below, and we will catch you on the next episode.